Welcome to the introduction to BudgetLink. Hi, I'm Jeff Stevenson, Managing Director for Accounting Add-ons. This short video will show the typical reporting problems faced by our clients and how BudgetLink solves them. The organisation that I'm going to showcase is a not-for-profit that has many departments, each with many projects that get funded and reported individually. They use MYOB Account Right Enterprise for accounting and have set up header jobs to track departments and detailed jobs to track projects. At the start of the financial year, an annual budget is created for each project and stored in an Excel workbook. This is what it looks like. A budget for each project has been set up on a separate worksheet, the first being consolidated, followed by 7 individual projects. It has profit and loss accounts going down the page at the detail level, months going across the page, a selected financial year off the page, and budget values in the data area. They also generate a board and management report every month. It has budget analysis reports on separate sheets at the organisation and project levels. It has profit and loss accounts at the detail level down the page. It has current month and year-to-date month variances across the page, each with actual, budget, dollar variance and percentage variance values in the data area. The process to generate the report starts with adding new accounts to each sheet. The date is updated on each of the titles. Last month's actual and budget values are cleared on each sheet. The MYOB Job Profit and Loss Report is firstly customised to choose the correct month and financial year, and then it's sent to Excel. This is what it looks like. It has profit and loss accounts down the page for each job. This is where the process becomes time consuming and error prone. Actuals are copied from the job profit and loss report and pasted into the board report, ensuring the job, period and accounts line up correctly. Note that the amount assigned to ticket sales and fares has been allocated against other fees and charges, and that this figure has to be manually aligned by copying, pasting and deleting. This process is repeated for each account section, for each current month actual, and for each year-to-date actual, for each job. A similar process is then carried out with budget data being copied and pasted into the board report. Year-to-date values are calculated and then copied and then pasted into each year-to-date budget section of the report. Once the copy and paste process is complete, the reports are reconciled back to the source documents. The consolidation report is also reconciled to ensure the formulas pull the correct data. To produce the report manually, the organisation was spending between 3 to 4 hours and between $120 and $160 per month, not including the cost of errors, delays, or the opportunity cost of spending less time analysing. Using BudgetLink, this process was reduced to a few minutes per month. Upon opening, the BudgetLink menu appears. This menu item represents the report that was created manually. Upon click, the workbook opens and its worksheets display below. Choose the job and the period and click refresh, and the report is generated. Account numbers are automatically brought in from MYOB, eliminating the manual process of inserting or updating modified accounts. Actual data is brought in from MYOB and budget data is brought in from the budget data source. Budget data is either entered via the budget entry form or imported from the budget data workbook by selecting the accounts and months and clicking OK. Going beyond the manual process, it is now possible to choose multiple jobs and consolidate them, or choose no job, which is not available in MYOB, or show other variances such as annual. The forecast column contains actual data to date and budget data to the end of the year. The budget column contains 12 months worth of budget data. BudgetLink's strength is in its flexibility. Functions are used to return data into cells, which allows changing the position of columns as easy as selecting and moving them. For example, the variance column can be moved before the budget column by dragging and dropping. The report will then continue to work as normal. All functionality shown is available in the Job Budget Analysis Edition. It's really, however, only just touching the surface of what's possible with BudgetLink. For more information or to request a trial, please contact us at inquiries@accountingaddons.com.au or phone 1300 addons.